OnePlus Nord Buds True Wireless Earbuds. Product information. The OnePlus Nord Buds will be music to your ears with big 12.4mm dynamic drivers for deeper bass and crisp clear sound. For the OnePlus Nord Buds, you get to choose how heavy or light you want your sound with the help of Soundmaster Equalizer's 3 unique audio profiles: bold, bass and serenade. The flagship level battery life for the all-new OnePlus Nord Buds delivers up to 30 hours of non-stop music on a single charge. AI noise cancellation audio algorithm delivers precisely calibrated voice isolation during calls in the all-new OnePlus Nord Buds. Enjoy ultra-fast sharing in the latest OnePlus Nord Buds. From 10 minutes of charging you get power of 5 hours. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.
Thank you.